yeah, let's put that here for now. Come here, come. The reindeer wants to help right now. Okay, let's just get the roll call started. Roll call! Ho, ho, ho. We're calling this the roll call. Ho, 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 ho. We got one here by the reindeer, Abigail Dorf. Oh, that means she said Eva Borkowski. Yeah. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, ho, ho, little reindeer. What do we have here? Vanessa Kegel's package is here. All right, my strong elf. What do we have here? Oh, thank you. We got one for Gemma Charles and Margie Gold. Ho, 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 ho. Oh. Ho, ho. We got a nice one for Catherine Kent. Ho, ho, ho. And thank you for this last one, and this is for Lisa Barker. Oh, well. Oh, that was such hard work. Oh, I think,
Look, you have a big ball, Christmas ball, a big one. And I'm going
that's our featured Christmas decor for today.
And I'm going to show you the difference.
Our reindeer wants to wear a glove.
Look, see the difference?
Those are earrings.
No, these are decorations.
Oh, they're not earrings?
There are decorations.
Oh, decorations for the Christmas tree.
Oh, yeah. Kitchen.
Yeah, Christmas.
Candy Christmas.
What happened to your hands? Looks so strange. Our reindeer has a striped legs like our elf. Must be the pattern of the season. I don't know what's going on now. All these years delivering gifts to kids and kids at heart. We don't know. But what I do know,
Wow.
yes, that is a ball that looks like it's made from yarn.
Uh-oh.
What happened? Oh my goodness. Our elf is losing its shoes. I think it's time to go. Oh, oh, oh. I have one thing to say though.
Let's do the VIP dance.
No, that's not what I was gonna say. What I was gonna say is
Kitchen.
you. Oh, it's a cupcake.
Cupcake.
Mmm. Thank you, little reindeer.
The cupcake.
That's right. You got that right. All right. I think if we don't leave soon, we won't have anything left in the Christmas tree. Last thing though is watch out. You better watch out because we have our Christmas giving program coming real soon. Watch out. Ho, 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 ho.
Are we?
Merry Christmas.
Good. Oh no.
Say bye-bye now,
Wait.
little elf.
Yep.
How did you dress up?
Huh?
I have no idea.
Wait, hey.
Little
Can you
reindeer.
get my bag?
Oh, all you need to do is move it all the way
You
to the front.
Yay.
Wow.
I
Oh, you're all
thought
good now.
Yeah, I thought we were going to go to the VIP dance. I thought.
Uh-oh. Not today. We don't have a VIP right now.
Yeah.
But don't worry, you'll have lots more chances.
Uh-oh. I hear.
Just say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ho, 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 ho. Alrighty then.